Hi. Welcome to Tuk Tuk Tech. Today, we will be looking at the overlapping lower value relationship. This is the fourth type of CPR relationship. Overview of overlapping lower value relationship. Overlapping lower value relationship, which occurs when the current day's pivot range is lower than the prior day's range, but overlaps to a degree. That is, the current day's bottom central pivot is lower than the bottom of the prior day's range, but the top of the current day's range is higher than the bottom of the prior day's range. This relationship indicates a moderately bearish outlook for the forthcoming session. If price opens within or below the pivot range, price should continue to auction lower. Any pullback to the range should be seen as a selling opportunity. Example: let's take a look at the Nifty weekly chart on 12th April 2021. That shows a clear overlapping lower value relationship. In this case, price opened the day below the pivot range, essentially accepting a bearish directional bias. In the chart, Nifty opened the day with a highly bearish gap that occurred beyond the prior day's price range, essentially sparking a bearish breakaway opportunity, which confirmed the bearish nature of the two-day relationship. Initiative sellers entered the market, and prices were pushed lower. The same closing and opening price dynamics are in effect for this relationship as well. Task for the day: find out the overlapping lower value relationship in your stock charts and observe the price action for the next day. In the next video, we will cover the topic unchanged value relationship. Stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.